Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine. तो मेरे क्लास 4 के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are going to read today? Today we are going to read for Mathematics Olympiad. Okay, so we have already started the chapter, that is computation operation, and already we have taken 2 classes. Okay, so today is the third class of the chapter computation operation. We have already discussed many questions, and today we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so shall we start now? Let's start it. So the first question is, observe the given pattern: 512, 256, 128, 64. What should be done to find the next number? Okay, so you can see here there is a series 512 to 256. So here 512 is there and here 256 is there. So can you say how can we get 256 from 512? Yes, it is very easy. If we divide 512 with 2, then we will get 256. After 256, it is given 128. How can we get 128 from 256? We will divide it by 2. And the next number is 64. So how to get 64 from 128? We have to repeat the same thing, that is divided by 2. To get the next number in the series, what we will do next? We will again divide 64 with 2. Then we will get 32. So here the next number is 32. But in the option it is not given the next number. It is given how to get the next number. So first is divide 64 by 2. I think this is the correct option. We have divided 64 with 2. Okay. Multiply 64 by 2. No, it is not correct. Add 2 to 64. No. Divide 64 by 16. No. So here the correct option is option 8, that is divide 64 by 2. Okay. Hannah, easy question. Let's move to the next question. Our next question is, what is the value of AB divided by AB? Okay. So what is it? AB divided by AB. Let me take a number. For example, A is 2, B is equal to 1. So I can write 2121 divided by 21. So let me divide it. 2121 divided by 21, that is 21 1 ja 21. Okay, then 21 0 is the 0, 21 1 ja 21. So 2121 divided by 21, it is equal to 101. So you can try by taking any late number for A and B and will divide it with AB. Then you can get to know that you will always get the answer, that is 101. Okay. So here the correct option is option A, 101. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Our next question is, in the following figure, each number in the left oval has a certain simple relationship with its pair in the right oval. Based on the relationship, find the missing number. Okay, here 8 is there, here 2 is there. How can we get 2 from 8? Can anyone say? Yes. If we divide 4, then we can get 2. And in the next line, it is 28, 7. So how can we get 7 from 28? It is easy. If we divide 4, then we can get it. Next is 44, 11. So if here also we have to do the same thing. If we divide 4 with 44, then we will get the number 11. Now, here in one side 52 is given and another side question mark is given, means here is the missing number. We have to find the correct number. So how to get We will divide it here also. We will do the same thing. We will divide 4 with 52. So 52 divided by 4. Here the correct answer is 30. Okay, got it? Easy question है. So कहाँ पे है ये option? Here the option is presented. Option B, that is 30. Okay. Next question. Okay, the next question here is each expression in the box has the same value. 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 24 divided by 2. Which of the following has the same value as each of the expression in the box? So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Then 3 into 4, this is also 12. 24 divided by 2, that is also 12. So in the question it is asked that which of the following option has the same value as each of the expression. So 72 divided by 12, its answer is 6. 72 divided by 9, it is 8. 72 divided by 8, that is equal to 9. 72 divided by 6, that is equal to 12. So we need the answer with 12. So where it is present? It is present in option D, that is 72 divided by 6. Okay. So here the correct option is option D. Got everyone? Let's move to the next question. Our next question is a bird flies n kilometer in one way. Which of the following expressions show two round trips? Remember, a round trip is a trip to place and back to the starting point. Okay, so suppose this is the starting point. Okay, so the bird starts flying from here and it is the end point. It is the end point. So if a bird flies from starting point to end point and then end point to again starting point, it is called as a round trip. Got it? So here a bird flies, how much distance it covers? N kilometer. To go from starting point to end point, the distance is n kilometer. For a round trip, it has to again come to the starting point. So starting point to end point n kilometer, then again from end point to starting point another n kilometer. So the total is 2n kilometer, that is for one round trip. In the question it is asked that how much distance it will cover for two round trips. For one round trip 2n kilometer, then for two round trips 2 into 2n. Here n is a letter, we call it as variable, so we can't multiply number with a letter. We can only multiply number with number. 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, and n 4n. Okay, 4n kilometer. You can know one thing, 2n is equal to 2 into n. 4n is equal to 4 into n. If in a multiplication a number and a letter is present, okay, so always number is written first followed by the letter. Got it? So here what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, that is 4n kilometer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Our next question is each letter from A to F stands for the given digits respectively. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Find the value of F into B. So A to F, value of A is 1, B 3, C 4, D 6, E 8, F 9. So these are the value of the letters. We have to find the value of F into B. So F into B, value of F is equal to 9 and value of B is 3. 9 into 3, that is equal to 27. Okay. Next, in the option A it is given C into D plus C, that is equal to C, that is value is 4 into D value is 6. 4 into 6 plus E equal to 8. 4 into 6. that is 24 plus 8 that is equal to 32. Next, C into C. C is 4 into 4 plus F that is equal to 9 that is equal to 16 plus 9 that is equal to 25. In option C, C into D that is 4 into 6 plus B that is equal to 3. 24 plus 3 that is equal to 27. Next D into E, D equal to 6 into E equal to 8. 6 into 8 that is equal to 48. So we have to find the option in which 27 is present. So can you get the answer? Anybody who knows it can write in the comment section. So 27 is present in option C that is C into D plus B. So here the correct option is option C. Okay, है ना easy question? चलो let's move to the next question. Number 7. Which single digit should replace each of the asterisks so that the multiplication shown is correct? So here a number is there, below it another number is there, and we have to multiply them. Okay, so a single digit that is present in all the places, in all the asterisks. So what can be the digit? Something into 2 equal to 6. Okay, here asterisk is there, asterisk into 2 equal to 6. So what can be the value of asterisk? You can say something into 2 equal to 6. So 2 into 3 equal to 6 or 2 into 8 equal to 16. So in this place either 3 can be there or 8 can be there. But as we can see that A, B, C, D in 4 options 8 is not present. So it is to be 3. Okay, let us check. I am writing 3 in place of asterisk. So 132 into 23 that is equal to 3 into 2 6. 3 3 is a 9, 3 1 is a 3. Then 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6, 2 1 is a 2. 6 9 4 that is 13, 3 carry over 1. Then 3 1 4 plus 6 10, 0 carry over 1. 3 3 0 3 6. So here asterisk mark is there, then finally here asterisk mark is there, here asterisk mark is there. So it can be clearly seen that in every asterisk mark here 3 is present. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, that is equal to 3. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the value of 13 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 into 4? So how to solve it? Children, do you know about the Badmash rule? Whoever know, write me in the comment section. You know about the Badmash rule or not? B. What is B? This is bracket for O. This is of. D. Division. M. Multiplication. Then A. Addition. And A. Subtraction. Okay, so what is the use of Badmash rule? Whenever if we have to solve a question in which many signs are present, like multiplication, addition, subtraction, many signs are present, we have to follow this rule. We have to first solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Next, so I am writing the question here again. 13 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 5 into 4. In first, here bracket is not there, here off is not there. First one is division. So we have to solve this first. How to solve? Every other things will remain as such. We have to only solve the division portion. 6 divided by 2. What is the answer? Tell me. This is 3 plus 5 into 4. Now division is not there. Next one is multiplication. Multiplication means we have to solve this one, and each other rest whatever are there, they will be written as such. 13 plus 3 plus 5 into 4. What is the value? 20. So now multiplication is also over. Next comes the addition. Here addition is there. 13 plus 3 plus 20. 13 plus 3 16 plus 20 36. So here the correct answer is 36, which is present in option A. So the correct option is option A. Okay, got it? आया सबको समझ में? अगर किसी को कुछ भी डाउट रहता है then you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, let's move to the next question. Study the given sentence. Here, 1 square into 1 triangle, that is equal to 27. 1 triangle divided by 1 square, that is equal to 3. So here 4 options are given. We have to find the correct option. So square is 9, triangle is 3. 9 into 3 equal to 27. So it may be the answer. Then square equal to 3, triangle equal to 9. 3 into 9, that is equal to 27. So it may be the answer because here it is given. Okay. Next, 6, 8. 6 into 18. 108. It is not the answer. It cannot be the answer. Then 5 into 15. 75. It cannot be the answer. So our answer will be from option A or option B. So whatever be the value of square and triangle, their multiplication will be 27. Okay, we know it. Then triangle divided by square equal to 3. Let me check the option A. Triangle divided by square, 3 divided by 9 equal to 3. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Let us check option B. Option B, triangle is equal to 9, square is equal to 3. So, triangle divided by square means 9 divided by 3 should be equal to 3. So, is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So, the correct option is option B, that is value of a square equal to 3 and value of a triangle equal to 9. Okay. Then let's move to the last question of today's video. If the product of all the three numbers in any row, column or diagonal is the same, find the missing number in the given square. So, in any row, column or diagonal, the product of all the three numbers are same. Okay, so how to get this number? Let me multiply 12 into, I am taking this column now. Okay, 12 into 9 into 2. Okay, that is equal to 12 into 9, that is 108 into 2, that is equal to 216. We have to find this question mark. Okay, so according to the question, if we multiply these three numbers, their value should also be same. So 12 into question mark into 3, its value should also be 216, as they are present in a diagonal. It implies 36 into question mark is equal to 216. So we can clearly find the value of question mark. Okay, it will be 6. So the correct answer is option A, that is 6. So I think सबको सब चीज अच्छे से समझ में आया. So this much for today. Let's meet you in our next